Alright, three,
Two,
two,
one.
one. Go. Go, 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 go.
Try it.
Hold on. Here's this back.
Okay.
That was a good auto. This is good auto.
Don't hit me. Oh my god.
Bro, I'll be coming in. And
Yes, bro. Man, I wonder why, because I got T-boned the last time I tried to climb, gang.
Nice. 300. 300.
Defender's pretty good. Oh, those are not making it far. What the heck? Oh, not bad.
Oh, we're gonna be active soon, so. We're active. Nice one, Ryan.
we're active at a 10.
I'm passing over.
Incredible passing.
Okay. We're good. Nice. That was a really good first shift.
High Tide's got nothing on us, they say.
Phil?
Why is my one here? 1 second. 1 second.
What?
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, it's kind of working.
Something wrong?
I
Maybe.
have no idea what it is.
My phone's being dumb. Speaker there.
Maybe you're just Gramps and you don't
There
know how to
you
use a
go.
phone.
Okay.
Maybe you're. Damn, that's crazy, bro.
No, they don't know how to use earbuds. Okay, get it right.
Oh, so you're a different kind of Gramps.
Exactly.
Oh, careful. I'm gonna go climb now. And I'm gonna hope to God I don't get T-boned. Nice.
W. Now I shot the
Oh my God, look at my hook.